Hey everyone, welcome to Techiato. Apple just released the MacBook Air with the new M4 chip, and while it may look familiar on the outside, it packs serious upgrades under the hood. The M4 chip is built on a second-generation 3nm process, offering up to 50% better performance compared to the M2. It's noticeably faster in everyday tasks like app launching, web browsing, and even more demanding things like light video editing or coding. What's great is how silent it stays. No fans, yet the system remains cool and smooth even under pressure. This is one of the thinnest and lightest laptops on the market, and it still handles most tasks effortlessly. The display hasn't changed much in size or design, but Apple has refined its brightness and color accuracy. Watching HDR content looks fantastic, and for students, creators, or casual users, this screen delivers. Battery life continues to impress, around 18 hours on light use, and still going strong even when you push it with multitasking or media. Apple is also stepping up its sustainability game with more recycled materials, especially in the enclosure. There are also small improvements in Wi-Fi speed and support for dual external displays now, thanks to the M4's upgraded GPU architecture. For many users, this finally makes the Air a real option for a full desktop setup when docked. Overall, the M4 MacBook Air is a silent powerhouse, offering incredible performance in a lightweight body. If you're upgrading from Intel or even M1, this is a noticeable leap. If you're on M2, it's more of an evolution, but still one of the best laptops you can buy right now.